Shanti Sweet Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimensions, length 25 centimeter, breadth 20 centimeter, and height 5 centimeter, and the smaller having dimensions, length 15 centimeter, breadth 12 centimeter, and height 5 centimeter. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. That is, when the box is packed and folded, you can see little portion of the cardboard at the sides to insert inside and lock it properly. That is called the overlaps. Now, if the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter squared, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each type. Now they are going to make 250 boxes of the first type and 250 boxes of the second type. The cost of cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter squared of cardboard. Then we have to find what will be the cost of cardboard required to make 250 such boxes. Now when you go to a sweet shop, you either buy sweets or cakes. Now it is parceled, it is packed in a sweet box. You can see a sweet box. It is cuboidal in shape. The dimensions are given. Cardboard is found on all the 6 sides. So we have to find TSA of the box, because you have to have cardboard on all the sides. The bottom is also closed, top is also closed. That is why we are finding the total surface area. We will first find the total surface area of both the boxes. Total surface area of the bigger box, you know the formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now we are substituting the values of L, B, then BH and HL. 25 into 20 is going to be 500, 20 into 5 is going to be 100, 5 into 25 is going to be 125. When you add 500 plus 100 plus 125 is going to be 725. 2 into 725 is 1450. So the total surface area, that is the cardboard required to make one box of the big size, is 1450 centimeters square. Now let us find the total surface area of the smaller box. Again we are going to use the same formula. We have substituted the dimensions, length, breadth and height in the second step. 15 into 12 is 180, 12 into 5 is 60, 5 into 15 is 75. When you add 180 plus 60 plus 75, you will get 315. 2 times 315 is 630 centimeters square. That is area of cardboard required to make one box of the small size, that is one smaller box, is 630 centimeters square. Now we have found the area of cardboard required to make one big box and one small box. So we need 5% extra cardboard for making the overlaps. That is, the sides, the corners have to be extra for folding and packing it properly. So we are going to find out what is the total area of cardboard required to make one set of boxes, that is to make one big box and one small box. For that what we are going to do is, total area of cardboard required for making one box of each size is equal to the total surface area of the first box, that is the bigger box, plus total surface area of the smaller box, that is the second box, plus 5% extra cardboard is necessary for making the overlaps. So we are going to take 5% of the total surface area of the bigger box plus the smaller box put together. Now we will substitute the values. We have already found the total surface area of the bigger box to be 1450. The total surface area of the smaller box is 630. 5% means 5 by 100 of total surface area of the bigger box plus total surface area of the smaller box put together. When you add 1450 plus 630, you get 2080. Now on cancelling 5 by 100 with the 2080, we get 104. 1450 plus 630 plus 104 is going to be 2184 centimeter square. So this is the area of cardboard required to make one set of boxes, that is one bigger box and one smaller box. But we are going to make 250 boxes of each type. We are going to make 250 boxes. So this is the area of one set. We are going to make 250 sets. So we are going to multiply this by 250. 2184 into 250 is going to give you 5,46,000 centimeter square. This is the area of cardboard required to make 250 boxes, 250 sets of boxes. That is 250 boxes of the bigger size and 250 boxes of the smaller size. Now we are going to find the cost. They have given in the question that the cost of 1000 centimeter squared of cardboard is rupees 4. Then we are going to find out what is going to be the cost of 5,46,000 centimeter of cardboard. So since the cost of cardboard for 1000 centimeter squared is 4 rupees, then what we are going to do is, what will be the cost for 1 centimeter squared? To find that, we have to divide 4 by 1000. When you divide 4 by 1000, you will get the cost of cardboard for 1 centimeter square. That we are going to multiply by 5,46,000. When we do that, 3 zeros and this 3 zeros will get cancelled. I will show that for you. We can cancel this 3 zeros with this 3 zeros. So after cancelling, you will be left only with 546 into 4. So the answer is 2184. Total cost of cardboard required to make 250 boxes of each type is 2184 rupees.